It's time for us to stop shaming our periods and start using them to manifest our dreams and our goals. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel, we talk about manifesting, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be talking about our cycles, our menstrual cycles, our periods. So, men, this video probably isn't for you, but stick around if you want to hear about it. Ladies, this video is for you. It doesn't matter if you have a period or not. You can still do this manifestation technique because you are a woman. If you identify as a woman, you're included in this as well. So stick around to hear this manifestation technique that will literally just move your manifestation so fast. Because us women, we're powerful. So let's talk about the power of women. Women can literally create life within us. We can build within our bodies the human form of God. So God's creation, we can do that within our body. We have the capabilities. Even if you are not able to have a baby, you have the energies of creation as a woman. We are extremely powerful women, so we might as well use these powers to manifest our dreams and goals. And during your period, you have access to higher levels of energy, consciousness, and vibrations. So ladies, the first thing you need to know is that you attract through your feelings. We talk about this. Everyone attracts things through their feelings. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you feel. So us women, we can tap into our feelings so freaking fast. It's crazy. We are so powerful when it comes to our feelings. So we need to hold on to that. You know, take ownership of that, take awareness of that, and start manifesting what we truly desire. Okay, ladies, so this is how you're going to use the manifestation technique correlated with your period, your menstrual cycle. Now, if you don't have a menstrual cycle, pick 7 days out of the month that you can create as if you have a menstrual cycle, as if you are on your period. Now, homegirls, I'm on my period right now as I make this video. So I am literally doing this manifestation right now on this camera over this video. So this is really cool for everyone to experience. And I know a lot of women have their period with the full moon. So if you don't have your period, doing it during a full moon or even a new moon is the perfect time for you to manifest. So I'm on my period right now and the full moon comes in a couple of days. So let's do this. So the next time you're on your period or the week that you claimed to be your time of creation, you are just going to feel the awareness of that period, of that menstrual cycle. So what does that mean? Now, I can really focus right now on my period. That's what I mean. Bring awareness to what's happening within your body. That is such a powerful tool for you in the beginning of this manifestation. So if you want to hold right there where your womb is, your ovaries, all those things, wherever that period is, hold it right there. Hold your hands over that. Really feel it, embrace it. It's beautiful. So embrace that right now and just close your eyes and bring awareness to what is happening within your body. You can even feel it moving. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. You feel it moving. You feel that cycle going. That is the first step in this manifestation technique. The second step is to think of some things that you are currently grateful for that are in your current life. So whatever that means for you, maybe you're grateful you got to work on time today, or you are grateful that you got your period. You're grateful that you were able to have free lunch or just a lunch and you were able to just embrace the outdoors. You got to go for a walk today. You got to pay your bills. Whatever it is, just be grateful for those things. And I suggest saying them out loud. I am so grateful. I am so happy and grateful now that. Say those things and really bring awareness to that. And you can hold your body while you do that because, you know, like we said, we create through feelings. So what we're doing in this whole manifestation technique, we are really embracing our feelings in order to create what we desire. So hold yourself, hold your body, give your body a hug. Say, I'm so grateful for my body. I'm so grateful for my legs. I can walk, I can see, I can watch this video. You know, just really feel it and just embrace yourself. Now the third step is the most fun, is to really think about your desires. Now don't just think about them, you know, oh, I want a new car or I want my specific person. Really feel it. Continue with the feelings. What does it feel like to be with your specific person? What does it feel like to pay your bills or buy your mom a dream home or buy yourself a dream home or really feel the love for yourself? You know, if you're manifesting self-love, what does that feel like to love yourself? What do you think that feels like? Really think about that. What do you see now? What do you feel? What do you taste? What do you smell? If your desire is standing right in front of you or it was in the palm of your hands, bring all your senses to your awareness right now. And let us women really do that together, because especially when you're on your period, you can feel all the senses. They almost seem stronger, right? Maybe we have a doctor who watches this. They can give us some, you know, information why that is. But honestly, when I'm on my period, I feel things so much more. I see more, I smell more, I taste more. So with that, we can create our desires through that. So what does it feel like to be with your desire, to have your desire, to have ownership of that? So really say it out loud, or you can write it down if you want as well. Say it out loud or write it down. Do whatever feels good to you, but really think about this. Really feel it and embrace it. Now, powerful creators, the last thing you're going to do is to think about your desire, but think about it in a gratitude mode. So say out loud how grateful you are for your desire as if you already have it. So you want to say, like, I am so happy and grateful now that I am with my specific person, or I am a college graduate. I, you know, passed my learner's permit. Whatever it is in your life, and it doesn't matter, because your desires are there for a reason. They're there because they are supposed to manifest in your life. So I want you to just thank the universe, thank God for your desire as if it's already in your life, and just really embrace that. And you could still be holding yourself or holding your stomach, your womb right there. You know, whatever you want to do, embrace your body and feel all the things that you are feeling. And really do this so passionately. You really want to bring out the passion in your energy. Because like we said, the feeling is the secret. The feeling creates the desire into your reality. So really feel it. And powerful creators, that's all you do. It's 4 steps. Now you can do this technique every single day of your cycle, or 5 times a day of your cycle. It doesn't matter. You can do this as many times as you want. You don't even have to do it only the first day. You could do it the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. It does not matter. As long as you are using your feelings during this time of your period, you are creating. It's simple as that. You are creating. You are powerful beings. Us women, we're powerful beings, and it's time for us to embrace our period and our menstrual cycle to create. We've been told so much. A lot of us been told, like, don't talk about your period. It's gross. It's this. It's so awful. All these negative words, and it's like, bye. No, it's not awful. It's beautiful. It's creation. It's stunning. It's absolutely amazing. My period is amazing. My menstrual cycle is amazing. And get comfortable with yourself with saying that, because as you get comfortable with it, you will start using it to create more. to create your desires. I'm telling you right now, us women, we can create like crazy. I need to make another video on this, on how to use your period blood to create. Now let me know if you want to hear that way as well. You are so powerful, women. We're so powerful. So don't let society suppress you about your period. Think that it's gross and that it's not acceptable to talk about. No, that's a lie. We should be talking about that because we can create through it. So I'm so excited for my powerful creators to start embracing their menstrual cycle to create their desires. It's truly powerful, and we're awesome. Us ladies are awesome. I love it. Okay, powerful creators, now I want you to comment your desire down below. Now you don't have to give me all the details if you don't feel comfortable, but just show me what you're manifesting, because us women can connect to each other and start manifesting with each other, especially if we're all on our periods together. It's like, come on, we should be creating billions of dollars together, or whatever we want. So everybody reach out to each other, comment under each other's comments, and be like, you know what, I know that's gonna happen for you. It's already yours, girl. You know, just like encourage each other, because if we're all on our periods, it's like, huh, duh, we should all be creating together and manifesting with each other. So let's do it. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I know you will use this technique so many times every time you're on your period, especially with the full moon. I mean, oh yeah, and it's a blood moon. It's a blood moon, this full moon coming up. So why not? Just embrace and feel the feelings of your desire, and bam, you're gonna be living it. And the powerful creator of this video is Chanette. Chanette, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit that bell notification button and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you like my next video on 7 signs someone is manifesting you. Maybe there's someone out there that you have visualized about and they have come into your dreams and things like that. They're probably manifesting you. So go over there and watch that video. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Love you so much.